Ka Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik East Khasi Hills ikong Isa Wanda lalu. Hak sengi Pyllait jong katayo wila pelat padba ya ke projek Child Friendly Shillong. Kebalawan rak ke Bosco Integrated Development Society ka projek banikai ki kena ke bede bat ke hok jongki bat ban kentiu ke jim jongki ka baman la kesengi. Ka Bosco Integrated Development Society kelas sedang pentreka mengenai projek naruk kesenam arajar kat lai rengkat ke jingat trailang bat ki kenhon traimon ngobha boper bakentop ke Reach Shillong Ministries ke Bethany Society ke Sparks bat kibe. Habakran ke negesengi ke projek director ke Child Friendly Shillong ikong Iba Senrem. Ilong bayakan ke projek kelas sedang ha kesenam arajar kat lai hadian ke jingle survey ke bandingkong akan nongba Shillong banwat jengtip ya ke jingle joki kena ke badan ha ke nongba kamtam kita kena ke bamdan mano bakinlah macamnya. Ilong bakane ke projek ke debit tek tang joki kena bat lengba ke projek baru ki kena ke ne ke hok bene selok bat kin yo aru igijing pensyai hadian bagila sengotho igi babon kimat ki be dai bat ke hok jongki. Na kaliang ke Deputy Commissioner kelaong bakade ke kamram jong baru kinong snong ban pentikna bagi kena ken hek kinsan ha ki emlang salang ke babiang. Bat namar kata ke sorkar jela na kapor kelawan ra ki mat rekam bat ki an ki ban penmentoi bat dia dai ki kena na ki jing sya thombor bat jing sya yu roi.
A child-friendly Shillong, a child-friendly city. I congratulate the efforts of all concerned. I learned that it has not been something which happened overnight. There have been constant talks and engagements right from 2015, and as what Thomas was saying, and numerous deliberations have taken place. I congratulate the BIDS as well as all its collaborators, associated partners, GIZ, all the sponsors, both local, national and international, as well as allied organizations, the NCPCR, Childline, the District Child Protection Officer, and other various departments whom we have heard will be playing a very critical role to ensure convergence of efforts and activities to ensure a child-friendly city.